Actually, no, this isn't.
Hello.
Where's the instruction bit?
Here.
Oh, it's this one.
Take a picture.
But Gregory, in the, give us the.
Information?
Yeah.
You'll never figure it out.
We won't be able to post this on YouTube, Gregory, because Stella's naked.
Oh yeah.
Well, we can.
Wait.
She has a diaper.
It's okay? Are you sure?
I guess
Okay.
You didn't say she's a boy.
She's a boy.
Are you a boy?
You can't tell the
so
difference, honestly. Before puberty is
Okay.
gender neutral.
You see this, Stella? This is a face of this. This goes here. Oh, you see? This goes here. That's what we're trying to make. Ah. Now we're looking for another piece. So, what? You have a piece? What does this look like? Where do you see it here? Does it go here? Maybe. Does it go nearby there? Maybe. Oh, wow, there it is. That's where it goes. Okay, where does that go?
See, where's the fish? Like, is it around here?
So you have to